What's up, everyone? Hope your day is going well so far. I have to say I'm really liking what I'm seeing in the charts today. Today is not one of those super explosive days where you make a 20 to 50% run. It's one of those nice, long-term, slow, steady, sustainable growth days, up only, a couple percentage points here and there. ADA's up in the mid 51 cent range at the time of filming this. Actually, BTC is in the mid 66K range. All these things are looking quite good. This is a perfect setup for the rest of the week, and obviously, hopefully, this continues. Now, I do have to say, there is something that has flashed on the BTC charts, and it's showing some great momentum change, and ADA is showing this same movement as well as we are approaching kind of our breaking point in terms of ADA. And I want to show you guys this. So first and foremost, when we look at the BTC charts, you guys can see that we have in fact flipped to bullish momentum. This is a great sign. We've done this several times along the way here as BTC is consolidated, just done its chopping motion up and down, up and down. And right now we are basically working through this point of all of these moving averages in terms of BTC on the 4-hour chart. So things are looking quite good in terms of Bitcoin, but where things are getting really exciting is actually in terms of ADA and really alts in general. What ADA is doing right now is it has also just flipped it in terms of momentum. It has gone from bearish to neutral momentum. Now, obviously, this isn't as good as flipping to bullish, but typically you got to flip to neutral before you flip to bullish. And we have done the same thing that BTC has done many times. Now, what I have to say is that ADA is, again, fighting through some of these breaking points here. Right now, we are fighting some of our moving averages. You guys can see that in the 4-hour charts here. We're fighting our, 400-hour moving average. We are above our 20 and our 50 on these trends as well as we approach basically this point of resistance here, this long-term trend line that we were using as support in our falling wedge. That is what we are now, in fact, going to be using as resistance. We have to break about 52.5 cents. Now, what I'm liking that I'm seeing here as well, again, is this breaking point. It has a chance of really breaking a hard way to the upside. You guys can see in terms of ADA, okay, if I can move the charts here, you guys can see that we did in fact fall into neutral momentum in terms of the daily charts for ADA. However, we are storming back with vengeance. We hit our DCA point on the charts. We're climbing hard. And right now we are fighting both the 200-day moving average as well as that 20-day moving average right below our support. So we may not necessarily struggle, but it's not going to necessarily be an easy break through these ranges. But if we do, ADA may have little legs on it where it can run somewhere up to that 54 cents, 58 cents, possibly even making a run all the way to that, 62, 64 cent range. All these moves are well within the reach of what ADA is doing. Remember, when retail starts flowing in again, when retail really gets the charts moving, that's when ADA tends to do its best. And right now, because of this excitement from the halving, what we've been seeing in terms of kind of post-halving adoption, it may be just enough of a catalyst, just enough of a push to really get the ADA charts surging again. Now, this is not a guarantee. This is not financial advice. We obviously don't know what's going to happen. We don't know if this is just kind of a little bit of a bull trap. We'll have to pay attention to that. But right now, things are looking good. Things are on our side, and hopefully this continues throughout the week. So I figure by the end of the week, we should know one way or the other. But I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Let me know your thoughts below. Have a great day. Catch you guys in the next one. Take care.